Oh, where did you go? 2 years, I didn't see you. What happened? The last time we met, you told me you were trying to get married. And I was supposed to be your best man.
I just discovered that I need to be single.
Yes.
Just like you. Charles, watch me smoke and stay single.
That's right. Brother, you have impressed me.
Yes, definitely.
I'm going to impress you.
Definitely.
No, you didn't get. I'm going to impress you.
Thank you, I'm ready.
Just come over here, bring yourself, and bring something else with you. Something very massive, you know, the back side of that to be very massive. You know, the front side make it very, you know what I like. yeah, Lena. What are we waiting for?
You serious? We going inside, right?
Like that, bro. No, that's my woman. You know what I like? You know I like them big. I like them thick. I like them fat. You have a deal. Okay, I like the idea. So after we are done, we switch. We switch. I like that. Let's go.